Namaste, how are you doing today? Namaste! I am going to the market.
Freshly cut for you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Let's make some fresh chutney. It is going. These are very spicy. Let's prepare the fresh herbs. This is going to be delicious. This is going to be delicious. It is all. Nothing beats the aroma of home-cooked meals, especially with the perfect blend of spices. National masala, making every meal a celebration. Perfect, just the right amount. Now for the spices. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make something delicious. Let's make something delicious. The secret is always in the blend. Perfect long grain rice every time. Always with national masala. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making the perfect biryani.
नेशनल मटन बिरयानी का जवाब नहीं।
बिल्कुल, उंगलियां छाटते रह जाओ।
मैंने कहा था ना।
Do you have any fresh lamb?
Certainly, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I'll take one of the cream packets. The fields are bountiful this year. May this harvest bring joy to all. I have the perfect blend of spices for this recipe. With these spices, the curry will be perfect. I must add a little more of the coriander and cumin. Just a touch. Perfect. ఆరిఫ్ప్రదం గాని Smells so good. Almost ready. Ah, perfect. It smells delicious. Just right. Come and eat.
Tamil video. If you like it, like, share, subscribe and comment.
Absolutely. Let's go.